Hello everyone, and happy belated 4th of July. This is the day after, and I wanted to put up a video of our time at the lake. We went to my dad's for the 4th of July. He lives out on a lake, and from the sunset to all the amazing fireworks across the lake, it is just beautiful. Now this is a little bit different than our regular content, but I wanted to just throw it up there. I thought it was something really fun to look at. I hope that you guys enjoyed your 4th of July, whether it was spending time with family or hunkering down to keep those pets safe and sound. And I will catch you guys in our next video. Enjoy.
There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way out of all the storms raging at the sea. He gave me back my life. I owe him everything. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord, forever and always. I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord, always. He carried me to shore, held me through the pain. He loved me at my worst. I thank him every day. I will put him first, 'cause he did that for me. He sacrificed himself so I could find my peace. Rejoice, rejoice.